So friends, this is my Ansible host where I have installed the Ansible, and this is my client. So you know that the in Ansible there is no need to install any type of plugin on the client side. So it will communicate with the port number 22 by default. So SSH. Okay. So there is no need to install any plugin in the client side. Only the server side that you need to install the Ansible, and that's enough. So I have created some playbook for each example. So under playbook, then line in file module. So I have created 5 example for the 5 things. Okay. So we'll start now. So first start, add a line in the file if it doesn't exist. Okay. So suppose we want to add a line. Okay. So how we can add? Okay. So I will show you. So this is the playbook through which we can we will able to do. So the first thing that does, this is the syntax. Then in which host you want to execute. So this is my client IP address. So you can give the host name also or group name. Okay, suppose I need to execute this playbook in 100 servers for the same purpose, so I can add the group name also. Okay, so for the how to do group, that I have already so in the previous videos, so you can watch that also. Okay, so the host name, so in my case that is one host name, so directly I have given the one host name only here. Okay, so user root as a root user, because root is needed to change the configuration file root privilege. So that's it. So task, these are the task section where I know I have used the line in file module. Okay, then path. Okay, this is the configuration file. This is the postfix configuration file where in which configuration I need to add a line called html underscore directory equal to no. Okay, state equal to present, then backup equal to yes. So backup equal to yes means before changing any configuration the backup should be taken. Okay, something, if something goes wrong, then you can the original configuration file can be restored. Okay, so that is our agenda. So we'll first we'll check whether in the configuration file that html directory is present or not. Okay, before running the playbook. So I'll copy that thing, html directory equal to no. Let's see whether it is there or not. So vi/etc postfix main.cf, this is our configuration file, right, where we are going to change. Let's see. So it is saying that pattern not found in html directory equal to no. So that means there is no entry for the html underscore directory equal to no. Okay, so we'll run the playbook now. So how to run a playbook? So Ansible hyphen playbook, then this is the playbook name. So before running I want to check the syntax. So how to check the syntax? Hyphen hyphen check hyphen syntax. So okay, might be I have wrong syntax. Okay, hyphen hyphen check syntax. So we have to give them not hyphen hyphen check syntax. This is syntax hyphen check. Syntax hyphen check. Syntax check. Okay, so there is no error. If there is error, it will show the these many errors in the red color. Okay, so there is no. So now we can run the playbook. Okay, so I have not set off any type of passwordless login between my Ansible host to client. So I have to pass a parameter to ask the password. Hyphen hyphen ask pass. Okay, so that it will ask the root password. So I'll give my root password. So before, okay, let me close. Okay, it's closed. So I'll give provide the password. So now it's saying play is applying in the client machine. Okay, now it is saying in yellow color change equal to 1. Okay, now we'll verify whether that line has added or not. Okay, what was the my that playbook should add? We'll check that thing. So it should add this line. Okay, now we'll check whether it is added or not. See, now it is added to the last line of the last line in the end of the file. HTML directory equal to no. So though I have not passed any type of where that that line should be added, so by default it is added in the end of the file. Okay, so in the third or fourth example I will show you. Suppose I want to add in some specific specific line. So uh, so how we can achieve, then I will show you in the next example. Okay, so as of now I have not specified in the, so it got by default, it got added in the end of the file. Okay, hope you are clear. Then we'll proceed with the next example. So what is the next example? Suppose some scenario we need to comment a line. Okay, comment a line. So how we can do? So for commenting, so I have prepared a playbook. This is the playbook through which we can achieve. Same thing, we have given the path slash it is a postfix main.zip. This is the configuration file where we'll do the comment a line called those lines starting with daemon underscore directory. The line starting with daemon underscore directory, just comment that line. Okay, with a hash. Okay, now we'll execute that. Okay, before comment line, so I will check whether that line is commented out or not. Okay, so now we'll open that file daemon underscore directory. Go next. So now this is the daemon underscore directory. We found this line. So this line should be comment after executing the playbook. Okay, so now we'll run the playbook, then we'll check whether it is commented out or not. Okay, so I will run the playbook, Ansible playbook, then the playbook name ask pass, so that it will ask password. Okay, if you have set up passwordless login between your Ansible server and client, so there is no need to pass. By default execute on the remote machine. So I will provide the password. So now it is saying that change one task executed on 11.3, which is the client machine. Now we'll check whether that line has been commented out or not. Okay, what was the file? Let me open that file. So this is the right daemon underscore directory. So I will search here. I will come in the client machine. Now we can see, guys, this is now commented out. So in the starting, so this comment symbol is there, right? So it is the line is commented out. Okay. So hope you are clear now. So then now we will proceed with the third example. Okay, what is our third example? Replace a line with other string. Suppose in a certain scenario we need to replace a line with a new something new parameters. Okay, so how we can do? So for that I have one playbook that I will show you. Vi replace line. Okay, so in this script, in this playbook, so we need to replace, so this is the configuration file where we are going to change the string to search. So it is saying HTML directory equal to no, where HTML directory equal to no, so HTML directory should be yes. Okay, so where in which line, so it will search a line HTML directory equal to no, and then it will change it to HTML directory equal to yes. Okay, so now what we will do, now what we will do, will search whether that line is there or not. Insert, sorry. So HTML directory equal to no is there. So now after running the playbook, so it will change to HTML directory equal to yes. Okay. So now we'll run the playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook, then the replace that by email that playbook name, then a hyphen ask hyphen pss. Then I will provide the password. Now you can see this is one file got changed. So now we'll see, we'll show whether that has been changed or not. Okay, we know that where is that line in the end only. So I will go to end of the file. So you can see HTML now, it earlier it was no, now it is changed to yes. Okay, so in this way we can change the parameter. Okay, then fourth, insert a line before a specific line. So in the first scenario, in the first example we saw, we added a line, but we didn't give any condition that where we need to add the line. Is there any before this line or after this line? Okay. So in this case, we are passing an argument that please insert a line, okay, next to some or before some line. Okay. Then what we'll do? So we'll go to, now we have one playbook for that. I'll show you and you can understand also. S-LA VI insert a line. Okay. So in this case, same path is my /etc postfix main.cf. These are configuration file. So it is searching. First it is searching that the starting with comment directory must be owned by root. Okay. Insert before this daemon directory. Okay. Then what is it going to add? This line going to add. So this line is going to add before this. Okay. So we'll search this line first. Let's see. Daemon directory. Where is daemon directory? So we got that this is the daemon directory. Okay. This is the daemon directory. So in this, before this only, okay, before this line, one line will be get added. Before this line, one line will get added. This is our motto. So after executing the playbook, so before this line, daemon underscore directory, one line will get added. That line is server admin pradipto@systecinfra.com. This line will get added before this line. Okay. So if you want to add, so for that I have used insert before. So insert after also you can use if you want to add the line after the daemon underscore directory. So insert, in that case insert after. Okay. So for this case insert before. Okay. So now we'll run the playbook. Okay. So Ansible hyphen playbook, then playbook name hyphen ask hyphen pass. I'll provide the password. Okay. So now it changed. So now we'll show whether the line got added or not. So I will go to, suppose, what is the line that needs to be added. So insert before. So I'll search this thing. So before this line, the line server admin pradipto@systecinfra.com need to be added. So I'll search that thing. I'll go to, okay, see, you can see here. So before this line, the line got address server admin at pradipto@systectinfra.com. Okay, so hope you understand that example also. Then we'll go with the final example, delete a line. So in some scenario we need to delete line in some servers. So in that case, how we can do? So for that I will show you one playbook. Vi delete a line. Okay, for delete a line only, so you have to provide the path, the configuration file name, then register expiration. Suppose this is the line I am going to delete, state equal to absent. State absent means, so it will delete the where it is under a registry expiration, HTML directory equal to yes. So this line is going to delete. So now we'll check whether that line is present or not in the configuration file. Now we'll search that. So this line is present. So after executing the playbook, that line should be deleted. Okay. So now we'll run the playbook. Ansible -playbook. Then the playbook name -ask -pss. Ansible playbook. Okay. Instead of playbook, it is okay. Then admin. Okay. Now, okay, change equal to 1. So now we'll check whether that line has deleted or not. What is the line? This line, right? So now we'll check in the client machine. Insert, search. So pattern not found. HTML directory equal to yes. So might be it was that line number, it was in end only. So now we are not able to find it. Is already deleted. Okay, guys, hope you understand this example also. So in this session we run the these are the scenario, the normal scenario only. So in the day-to-day activities you will get this type of scenario. So using line in file, you can add, modify or delete line in a configuration file in a parallel. Within 2 minutes you will able to change the configuration in thousands of servers. Okay, so for more details, so you can go to that Ansible documentation. The module name is line in file, manage line in file. So you will get all the all the example, all those things. So you can refer the Ansible documentation also for the line in file. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoy the session. Please stay tuned for next videos.